Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about WhatsApp new status updates. So if you're ready, please go ahead and hit that like button and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. WhatsApp recently rolled out new updates on its status feature. WhatsApp Status, the feature that was introduced in 2017 as the company's take on Snapchat Stories, has received a number of updates to make it more attractive and appealing to users. One of the latest additions is the ability to set voice notes as status updates. Recently, WhatsApp announced Voice Status, which enables users to record and share voice messages up to 30 seconds as status updates. Users will get the option to record voice notes by tapping on the microphone icon on the status screen. It provides a more personal touch to status updates and works as a convenient option for those who prefer not to type or use graphics. Last month, WhatsApp tested its voice status feature with its Android and iOS beta testers. Voice status comes months after WhatsApp saw significant traction in voice messaging on its platform. The Meta-owned messaging app in March said that its users were sending an average of 7 billion voice messages daily. The arrival of voice notes on WhatsApp status updates reminds us of the Cappuccino app, which lets users share short, intimate audio stories with friends. Alongside voice status, the latest WhatsApp status updates include a private audience selector that lets users easily pick a privacy option per status to choose who can view their status updates. A new audience selector button appears on the status screen. It brings up a menu to let users control the visibility of their status updates. The most recent audience selection will be saved and used as a default for the following status update, the messaging app said in a blog post. Before the audience selector option, users had to manually go to the privacy settings on WhatsApp to choose who could view their status. WhatsApp has also broadened the availability of status reactions that were available to some users a few months back. Users can quickly reply to any status updates by swiping up and tapping on one of 8 emojis. Similar to status reactions, WhatsApp has widened the availability of status profile rings to all users. After making them available to some users in the recent past, these rings appears around your contact's profile picture when they share a status update. It works a bit like on Instagram. Status profile rings will be available in the chat lists, group participants lists, and contact info. Users also get link previews on their WhatsApp status updates. This will allow them to showcase a visual preview of their links to Instagram posts or YouTube videos that they put on their status. The updates have started rolling out to users globally and will be available to everyone in the coming weeks, the messaging app said. And there you have it, all the things you need to know about WhatsApp new status updates. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can get online courses platform with integrated marketing, with hosts anywhere, supports 17 languages, and 6 profit-boosting plugins included? That is Course Funnels by Technic Force. Create and market courses online. Course Funnels helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. It's easy. You will have your first course set up on day number 1. It has a powerful dashboard, easy course editor, robust communication center, email marketing inside, and accepts payments any way you want. It has money-saving plugins included, and it supports third-party scripts, and has reports and analytics. Get instant access to Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.